Is AI crypto just a buzzword, or is it the key to unlocking the true potential of blockchain technology? Today, I'm diving deep into my research and takeaways on the future of AI crypto, separating the fact from the fiction. Hi everyone, welcome back to the VirtualBacon channel where I teach you how to build wealth with crypto. I'm really excited to share my perspective on AI cryptos because my background is in both crypto and software development. So a lot of you has asked for my opinion on this whole AI crypto hype. It's no secret that we've entered a new era of AI technology, but can it really impact the blockchain technology, or is this just a passing fad? Chances are you've probably heard of the popular AI platform ChatGPT or other image generation platforms like Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. ChatGPT has taken the world by storm, becoming the fastest application ever to reach 1 million subscribers. For some perspective, it took ChatGPT 5 days to get 1 million paying customers, while it took popular platforms like Instagram and Netflix months. Speaking of months, it only took a few months for ChatGPT to get over 100 million users overall. And with the surge in AI technology, companies and projects are trying to find a way to capitalize on this hype. So that's why today we're looking at the biggest AI crypto projects out there to see if this is just one big hype wave or the future of blockchain. The reason why we're talking about AI crypto in the first place is because of ChatGPT. And while ChatGPT doesn't use crypto at all, let's understand why it kicked off this narrative. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot from the San Francisco-based startup OpenAI. And while you might think OpenAI is this new company considering ChatGPT's recent explosion at the end of 2022, OpenAI was actually founded back in 2015. In fact, Elon Musk was one of OpenAI's earliest investors before deciding to leave the board back in 2018. And if you haven't used ChatGPT before, it's easy to see why the technology is taking off so quickly. It's the first of its kind tool and is an incredible combination between Google search and having your own personal assistant that is a genius and can hold a conversation. Just type in a few words with what you're looking for or questions, and you'll get advanced and realistic responses in return, just like a personal assistant. ChatGPT can even write full files of software code. The fact that ChatGPT grew to 1 million users so quickly caught the eyes of big tech giants like Microsoft, who agreed to a multi-billion, multi-year deal with OpenAI. This partnership brought ChatGPT to their search engine Bing and will potentially be incorporated into their Microsoft Office products as well. Days after the announcement, Google placed their AI bets as well, and they have since injected billions into the AI space. So one thing is clear, AI technology is advancing faster than ever before and is also here to stay. But what does this mean for crypto? Can projects actually benefit from this new AI technology? Before we look into the top AI projects, please consider subscribing to the channel. 75% of you watching aren't actually subscribed, and I hope you'll consider clicking the red button below. Now let's take a closer look at the biggest AI crypto coins that are at the forefront of the AI narrative. I should start by saying I personally don't think all of these so-called AI coins out there actually use AI, but after some research, these were the 6 top projects that were most commonly associated with the sector. The first one on the list is the Graph, which tops the AI coins list on CoinMarketCap. Although the Graph is dubbed the Google of blockchain and is used in all major blockchains to index and query data, I really don't understand why people classify the Graph as AI crypto, because it's not really AI related at all. The Graph does not index or query any data that's used in AI. Rather, its main use case is to read all public blockchains and process their data in an easy to understand way for decentralized application developers. If you're a DeFi application developer, you'll likely use the Graph to read data from your smart contract. But if you're developing an AI chat or image generation app, the blockchain data served by the Graph will have no purpose for you. Okay, cool. The next AI crypto on the list is SingularityNet. This is one of the few legit AI projects that have a mission statement entirely focused on combining the power of blockchain and AI. The project's overall goal is to make it possible for consumers to access AI technology or take part in its development. Its main product offering for end users today is an open marketplace for anyone to get access to AI services services. I also think this is a good time to note that OpenAI got its name from Elon Musk for originally being an open source project. However, they eventually switched to a closed source for-profit company, which is a big reason why Elon left the board. So while open source have its benefits for the fast iteration of software development, it's very different from being decentralized and not having a single entity leading the way as proposed by SingularityNet. And you can see in the difference of quality in the AI services offered on this platform. The AI services on SingularityNet are able to help you with language recognition, generate images via text, and apply certain filters to photos. But the quality of the products on SingularityNet are lagging big time compared to these other private platforms that don't need to use crypto at all. It's pretty hard to justify using such a subpar project just because it's decentralized, at least right now. On the bright side, SingularityNet does have an ecosystem of AI crypto projects that are using its AI services. This means if there are significant breakthroughs in the AI crypto space in the future, SingularityNet is likely to continue benefiting from this narrative. There are also some bright spots for the project, such as its strong founder, Ben Goertzel, who was an AI pioneer behind the Sophia robot. But let's be real, many people's comparison between OpenAI and SingularityNet is just outrageous. Although OpenAI is valued at $29 billion, which is over 50 times as much as SingularityNet, the latter hasn't really done anything in the past few years to get itself into the same conversation as OpenAI. You can check out all the AI services and the models for yourself on their own marketplace. These are really not that powerful. It looks like, to be honest, just like college projects. Another top AI project on most people's radars is Fetch AI. This platform offers resources and frameworks to create an AI-based digital economy. So what does that actually mean? Basically, the Fetch network has built a shared machine learning model called Co-Learn that anyone on the network can use by bringing their own unique datasets. But the main applications on Fetch network all seem to be quite vague with their product offerings. There is Axim, which is a tool that allows businesses to share data silos without compromising privacy. Also, Resonate is another app, which is a decentralized social network that uses AI to curate your social feed, but that's about it. All other projects on this platform are not related to AI at all, mostly just DeFi farming tokens and exchanges launched on the Fetch AI network. There's even a random bike sharing app. So again, while Fetch AI has the word AI in its project, it doesn't seem to have anything related to the chat interpretation or image generation AI tech that are so popular right now. Most of the projects are simply using the network just like a smart contract blockchain like Ethereum. Moving on, another popular project among AI crypto fans is Render Network. But again, I'm not really sure why, because it has nothing to do with AI in the first place. Render Network is a distributed GPU rendering platform, which allows anyone with powerful graphics cards to share their graphics processing power with other users on the network. The users get to complete high-demand graphics work, and the GPU provider receives render tokens for providing that processing power. It's a great take on the GPU mining sector, but instead of letting graphics cards go to waste for the sake of mining Bitcoin and other coins, it puts them to use for actual utility, which is GPU rendering. However, the main target of GPU rendering is not AI, but rather the use cases like 3D models, videos, photos, and games, and anything graphics related. You can technically use this power to train AI models, but saying that Render token is an AI crypto is completely far-fetched. That's like saying Amazon Web Services is an AI service. It's just simply not true. Nonetheless, Render is still up 3x in the past month, which just goes to show how people are putting any cloud computing or model rendering project into the AI category these days, regardless of whether or not they're actually using AI. The fifth project on this list is Ocean Protocol, which is also talked about a lot in the AI crypto conversation. Its main offering is a data marketplace that transforms everything into crypto tokens. Here are some of the most popular datasets available on the Ocean marketplace. As you can see, most of these are around crypto prices and other financial price feeds, but it's quite a stretch to say that these datasets will be useful in the top AI platforms like ChatGPT or image generation platforms. Can there be more relevant datasets on this marketplace in the future? And for large AI companies to use this marketplace? Sure, that's possible. But it doesn't seem like there is much benefit added with the tokenization parts of Ocean Protocol, unless we are dealing with specifically crypto-related datasets. Because someone that's looking to access crypto datasets will likely have already a crypto wallet and would like to pay with crypto for a tokenized version of that dataset. But if you're looking to sell this to a traditional AI tech company, I don't know if crypto payment or tokens make sense at all. So again, Ocean Protocol is yet another AI project that doesn't seem to benefit from the recent AI breakthroughs or have any chance of being adopted by the AI giants. It's really a data marketplace project. And with the last option on this list, and perhaps the most interesting AI project that actually has some decent potential, is Alethea. This project is a lot newer, having launched in the 2021 bull market, and thus have more relevant ideas to the current AI use cases. The long-term goal of Alethea is to create interactive and intelligent NFTs. They hope that anyone can use the NFT protocol to create, train, and earn in the world's first intelligent metaverse known as Noah's Ark. Their latest product is Character GPT, which lets anyone create avatars based on text descriptions. This tool uses similar language models like ChatGPT and text-to-image models like Stable Diffusion. Alethea is a good example of a project that has significantly benefited from the current breakthroughs in AI technology by actually incorporating the latest AI models into the platform. But a big distinction we need to make is that while Alethea is taking advantage of AI and using the latest AI technologies to improve its NFT creation abilities, at its core, Alethea is more of a NFT and metaverse project. It's not an AI infrastructure project that can be used everywhere else like ChatGPT and Stable Diffusion. Nonetheless, I think this is one of the more recent and more relevant AI projects out of everything that I looked at so far. On a side note, if you want to trade any of the top AI cryptos we've looked at today, or any other AI altcoins in general, even very niche AI coins that are new to the market, check out MEXC Exchange, link in the description. MEXC is one of the top crypto exchanges that has been around since 2018, and I chose to partner with them with two reasons. Number one, their exchange is accessible from anywhere in the world. There's no IP blocking, you just sign up and start trading. And number two, they have the largest selection of altcoins in the entire industry. MEXC has over 1,500 altcoins available, while most other exchanges only have 200 to 300. So for whatever crypto you're looking for, just go on MEXC and you should be able to find it. As part of our partnership, they're also offering our viewers a special sign-up bonus between $100 and $9,000 based on your deposit and trading volume. So if you want to take advantage of this deal, use the link in the description to sign up and trade on MEXC today. Coming back to the video, you can see with all of these AI crypto projects we've talked about, they aren't offering anything new or anything that can even be compared to the AI breakthroughs in the traditional tech world. These crypto AI projects have all been around for a few years now, and there's a reason they haven't seen a level of adoption anywhere near the latest AI platforms like ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, or Midjourney. So the next question is this AI crypto narrative all hype, or can it actually find a way into blockchain technology somehow? I think it's important to recognize that AI technology like chatbots and AI art is here to stay for the foreseeable future. I mean, you don't become the fastest application to reach 1 million and 100 million users milestones without being amazing. But just because these companies found success doesn't mean its technology works well in the blockchain space. In fact, I don't believe blockchains can add benefit to AI applications anytime soon, as they aren't really solving any blockchain's biggest issues. We have a lot of other problems to solve first. Is there a major technology breakthrough by using AI in crypto projects? The current answer is no. Currently, there aren't any AI features that can help crypto users. AI does not increase blockchain speeds, decrease transaction costs, or bring more users. And no, there aren't any AI-powered trading bots that can help you make profits. The most you can do is ask ChatGPT what they think about a particular altcoin to save you some time from doing research, but that's about it. And on the flip side, are there major shifts in the AI tech world that makes them adopt blockchain or crypto for specific use cases? The answer is also no. None of the huge AI platforms like ChatGPT, OpenAI, Stable Diffusion, etc. have any plans to adopt crypto. People are able to use these tools just fine without putting crypto or blockchain into the mix. That's why I think the AI crypto narrative is all hype, with lots of projects just trying to pump their tokens. Crypto was created to solve very specific problems, but sometimes the sector still has the belief that crypto can solve everything. In fact, this AI narrative feels highly similar to the metaverse and gaming bull run in 2021, but even much worse, with a lot of overpromising and under-delivering. So stay cautious. The metaverse bull run was kicked off by a big company like Facebook changing their name to Meta and investing heavily in the space. And with the AI narrative, it started very similarly with a big investment from fellow tech giant Microsoft. The next step we saw was an increase in speculation causing metaverse cryptos to absolutely crush it, but only for a brief period of time. I mean, who doesn't remember weird pumps like Decentraland and Sandbox essentially 10xing overnight, even though the games didn't even have more than a few hundred users. Now we're seeing the same as projects are rushing to announce how they're using AI technology. Some crypto teams who haven't announced anything for months magically found their Twitter logins to talk about how they're now using AI all of a sudden. And for the next step in the hype wave, the speculation will die down. Just like with blockchain gaming, when most projects completely under-delivered on the actual games. I mean, how many games have we seen come out with a cool trailer and then never bring a product to market? Or when it does, it's just underwhelming. Tell me which games you got burnt on in the comments. Now we're seeing the same exact thing with AI projects. They're quickly to talk about AI like it's going to change their project, but at the end of the day, did they become faster? Did they see a jump in user growth? Or does it bring some sort of new use case? The answer is all no. As people start to realize AI technology isn't doing anything new for blockchains currently, we'll start to see the hype fade with most, if not all, the AI crypto projects. If ChatGPT never came around, would we even be talking about these projects? Probably not. And that alone should tell you how to view this narrative. And with most of the AI success coming in the private sector, there is no correlation between these centralized entities and the old AI cryptos people are hyping up today. None of these companies have announced any plans whatsoever to utilize crypto in their businesses, and I don't see a reason why they would. These platforms are running perfectly fine and growing faster than ever before, and incorporating blockchains will only make things more complicated. There are some interesting projects that are using the latest AI models to improve their existing business, like Alethea AI we've mentioned, but they aren't building some revolutionary AI tech that will change the way blockchains operate. As we've gone through in this video, most AI crypto products aren't actually AI related and not offering any breakthroughs. If they are to ever compete with the tech giants, which I don't think they will, they are years behind and have billions less in funding. That being said, you could potentially still make money by trading AI coins in the short term, but make sure you understand that they are only short-term trades and not long-term hold. The overall interest in the AI space is still quite high, especially those coming from inexperienced retail investors. So if you think you are good at finding new projects early and taking profits before the hype dies down, then the AI narrative could still be worth playing as a game of musical chairs. You just don't want to be the last one stuck holding the bag when the music stops. So in summary, I'm not buying the hype as far as AI crypto is concerned. Don't get me wrong, I use ChatGPT every day and are amazed by Stable Diffusion art just like everyone else, but they are not related to crypto. While I can understand the reason for this AI crypto narrative, I think it's completely misguided, and many who choose to invest in this sector and hoping to hold it for the long term will get burnt as they realize that AI and blockchains don't mix well today. If you want to build wealth in crypto, definitely check out my videos on the top airdrops of 2023 and my 2024 2023 Crypto Portfolios video. Links can be found in the description. This was our first video covering specific crypto narratives, so let me know if you want more narrative deep dives. And if you want early and in-depth content just like this one, check out VirtualBacon.com and sign up for my free newsletter with over 1,000 friendly readers. Every week I write about the latest crypto narratives just like AI and gaming, and give my personal investing insights. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments how you feel about AI crypto and why. I'll see you guys in the next one.